Right about now, AP test prep is full effect. Judge K presiding. In the case of high school students versus AP Chemistry, AP test takers are RC Chem, EB, and Cam frickin' C.
Bond, order, EB, take to the lab stand. Do you agree to study for the test, the whole test, and nothing but the test, so help your final score?
You give me the 5.
Well, why don't you tell everyone what the heck you learned this class?
Brick chemistry coming straight from the LAC. A young student got it bad cause he's down, and not the biggest chemist so he don't think. Conservation priority, no creation or warranty. Screw this class cause I ain't the one for a punk beerette with a titration to be acted on with the London force. Pressure me like an atmosphere 760 tour. Stressing on me cause I'm a teenager with a high GPA and a major. Mix the reactants, end with the product. Thinking every chemist is doing narcotics. You'd rather see F or N, then dash a line and show H bonding in a strong flow. Bond angle, molecular shape, they both determine the molecule you make. To make oil rig, my favorite motto. Still getting H bonded to water. I don't know if they acids or what. pH of base down and its charge goes up. And on the other hand, without H plus you can't have one. And with the water even though you didn't start with none. Acids give away the H plus, they drop. Titrate with base till color change and stop. Electrons will swarm around the polar side so they're not uniform. Methane hybridized to sp3, other AP students are afraid of me. A mixed S&P sub-level stack, and when it's finished, it's gonna be a compact of orbitals chilling in 2 states. Yo, K, I got something to say.
Break chemistry. Break chemistry. Break chemistry. Break chemistry. Break chemistry.
Example of last block.
Pull your 5-page lab report out right now.
Aw, crap. Now what the hell you give me a C- for?
Cause I feel like it. Just study the Khan Academy videos and suck it up.
Man, screw this class.
Alright, smart man. I'm turning your C- to a D.
RC Chem, will you please give your testimony to the students about this messed up classwork?
Frick chemistry and chem molarity. Because these solvents only mix with like polarities. A mole with Avogadro's number 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. A constant for a so-called law which impivers an equation they never saw. N equal length P times V. But underneath is the R constant, Kelvin shows the heat. But that gas ain't real gas, because the values are not possible off the graph. Deviating high, the temp must go up. Deviating low as such, it must drop. Pulling out the Vesper shell, cause it stands for the valence shell electron pair repulsion. At equilibrium, forces them down or up, back and forth the same, don't let that mess you up. Make you think I'm a noble gas, but add an E and chem changing fast. Some isoelectronic and still iodine, but looking like xenon, acting like a mime. Calorimetry gets specific heat to find enthalpy, and when the temps meet, I'm a chemist with a hell of a Q. Take out a catalyst or two, they can't keep up with me. The graduated cylinder flask with the beaker to fill the system up, so I'ma switch it around. Put in my catalyst, yo, and this is the sound. Yeah, something like that, but it all depends on when Q is in cap. Taking out enthalpy would make my day, but a chemical system don't give a damn to say.
Break chemistry. Break chemistry. Break chemistry. Break chemistry.
Hey man, is it the report you need?
College board, open up.
Oh,
we have a
crap.
warrant to void Cam C's test. Put your pencil down and your test up where I can
Man,
see it.
what the hell did I do? Man, what did I do?
Just hand your test up and get yourself out the door.
But I nearly aced the test.
Man, just hand the test up.
Chem C, won't you step up to the lab and tell the jury how you feel about this unrest?
I'm tired of doing this solution. Sweating my hands while dissolving the solution. Auto-anize my water and for what? Go into hydroxide and hydronium. It's going fast. Equilibrium last H plus is sliver to proton is transferred when reacting acids and base. These AP questions always got something stupid to say. Strong acid base reactions are violent, but when the pH is 7 the reaction is silent. The Q and the K behaviors, the way they compare tells the side that it favors. With all the chateliers, what do you got? No way to know the shit to react into products by me, no indicator. And when pH gets smaller, POH gets bigger.
They added 14, man, that's always been the rule.
And as you all know, the equation sheet's your tool. Whenever I'm mixing, buffers make readings clear. Resistant pH change, yo, a neutralizer. Dumb acid-based solutions. And when I'm applying thermochem, it'll be the one that I take out. And on test day, while I'm taking my exam, this is what I'll say.
Great chemistry. Great chemistry. Great chemistry. Great chemistry. Great chemistry.
The verdict.
Great chemistry. Great chemistry. Great chemistry.